Give me 3 countries in Africa.
I ain't got it.
3 countries in Africa?
I don't know.
Alright, first of all, we're gonna goddamn do Libya. We're gonna do goddamn hold on. I'm hiding the motherfucker right now.
can't run.
Hold on, no, don't run. Hold on. We got Egypt and Congo.
What continent are we in right now?
America. I mean, wait, my fault, I'm tweaking. You said continent, North America. North America.
I ain't got nothing.
What you mean you don't know?
I was here as a support.
You was in support?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta.
Atlanta. So give me 2 countries in Africa then.
I ain't got it.
There are 54 countries in Africa. There are 54.
I ain't got it.
All right, I'm going to tell you. Nigeria, Ghana,
Okay.
Morocco, Zimbabwe, Congo, Madagascar, Uganda,
You from
South
Africa?
Africa.
Why you so knowledgeable about Africa?
Because it's basic knowledge.
Okay.
Like this what they like kind of like teach us, you know?
Type deal.
But it's okay though.
Most definitely, I appreciate it.
Of course.
You
Have a
still
good
get my
one.
dad? I still get my dad?
Yeah, you're going to get it. You're gonna get it. Have a good one, y'all.
I appreciate y'all.